vehicle is equipped with 2 independent sliding rear seats. You can move these seats forwards or backwards from inside the vehicle or directly from the boot. From the inside, lift this lever, then slide the seat forwards or backwards. From the boot, simply pull the strap to move the seat. Once the desired position has been reached, release the lever or the strap, and make sure that the seat is correctly locked. For your safety, carry out these operations when the vehicle is stationary.